This is Austin Hirschberger, Module 15, Instructional Tutorials. The next technology that I chose is Google Drive. Google Drive can be accessed by going over here to your squares and clicking on the Drive tab, and that will pull up the Google Drive that is linked to whatever Gmail account you are logged into. I chose Google Drive because it is web-based, it is not device specific, it works in any browser, and it is absolutely free with a Gmail or Google account. The purpose behind my drive is to stay organized, be able to access files and lesson plans and resources from any device. I can access this stuff from my work computer, home computer, phone, so it is available sort of as a cloud, if you will, backup. So this is my drive. I've got my folders, some different files here. I try to keep everything in a different folder. So this is a folder for the 2018-19 school year with calendars, my class schedule. I'm at two schools, so I have a couple different class schedules there for those, some daily attendance. If I go back to my drive, I've also got some different things that we're doing as a district. We're doing curriculum priority standards, so I've used this file to share with colleagues that we're collaborating with on that and to be able to access those. And then what I really want to focus on is my PE folder. So if I click on that and go into here, I have a folder for some assessments. This is where I keep FitnessGram scores. If I go back to assessments, I also have a document where I have my kids log their scores. And that way I can just print this out and give it to them. I'm going to go back to PE here. I also have a folder for stuff that's on my gym walls. That helps me stay organized that way. And then my lesson plan folder. And I teach K through 5, so I have one folder for K through 2 because they do a lot of the same things, and for 3 through 5. So I'm going to go ahead and click on K through 2. Not all of these folders are filled because I'm in my first year in this position and kind of just fill them as I go. So some of the things we've done, if I click on throwing, I've got some different throwing ideas and lesson plans there. Striking, these are some things that we've done. Anyway, I'll go back to 3 through 5, and again, these are all different folders for either different activities or focus areas that I want to work on, such as throwing, kicking, striking, invasion games, that kind of stuff. So anyway, that's kind of what I use Google Drive for. The ISTE standards that I paired with Google Drive are ISTE T3D, which is model and facilitate effective use of current and emerging digital tools to locate, analyze, evaluate, and use information resources to support research and learning. And then also TPAC1, which says candidates integrate current and emerging digital tools to collect, analyze, and present information. Thanks for watching.